stop by for a second or two and just thank BioTrue Eye Drops for gifting me these amazing newbies to my routine. Um, yeah, I love doing reviews. I love getting free stuff. As you can see, like, look how cute just the little setup is. We got the pamphlets, giving us all the details. These guys are preservative free. The nighttime one is a gel format, and the daytime is just like normal daytime eye drops for dry eyes. And it just helps with like relief and other symptoms too. These guys have been added to my makeup routine, and I absolutely love it. It is a game changer. My eyes don't water. I'm not saying that that's going to happen with you guys, but I love them.